Common logic dictates that knife dueling never happens. However, if you carry a cutting tool that you might improvise as a weapon and believe that knife violence is a possibility in your culture, then knife-to-knife fighting may happen. However, there are far more important benefits to training this way. One of them is distance management and timing. You get very good at getting in and out and attacking and then getting out of range so that you don't end up on the end of your training partner's knife. And one of the most important benefits is that it's a lot of fun. Now, you get to be creative. Look at Greg stabbing me in the groin here when he had dropped his knife. My moment of hesitation is a good lesson that I got on how hesitation could kill in a knife fight, and that knife fixation, like being fixated on Greg's knife falling on the ground, leads to hesitation. You gotta remember when you play this, it's not just a knife fight, it's just a fight. By that I mean, if you're too caught up on the weapon, you will lose sight of the fact that you have other weapons available to you. So sometimes when we play this, we'll put on MMA gloves and headgear and basically box with a knife in our hands and find opportunity to use that knife. The coordination I get with a tool is one of the best benefits from this kind of training. You learn to quickly cut and get out, quickly damage the limbs, quickly get in, and you also learn the danger of both of you entering and stabbing away without causing wounds before distance is closed. You learn to fake, you learn to trick. It's a lot of fun and it builds good skills. These skills are transferable to other weapons and transferable to no weapons. The movement, the coordination, and the footwork apply to all sorts of fighting. For me, though, the fun and the connecting with other people are the most important benefits of this training.